Yeah, still 7th of April, Tuesday. Train. Anyway, this is a startup of my little John Deere 850. Clear stack. Run like a new one. Do a little bit of a ride along while I'm emptying my sprayer. Low range right now. All my idiot lights do work. I already verified them. And here we go. Said earlier I mixed up too much chemical, but all it did. Pump not picking up suction. Tank's getting low. Check my filter screen, see what we got going on, but tractor running great. It's a good. Anyway, that's all for this one.